When I first started, I thought making money from YouTube was as simple as uploading videos and watching the cash roll in. But the reality hit hard. I was creating content no one cared about, trying to copy what everyone else was doing, and getting nothing but crickets in return. Here's the thing. Most people jump in expecting overnight success. But the truth is, online income builds like a slow-burning ember before it turns into a roaring flame. What everyone misses is that your first $100 online isn't about traffic or views. It's about understanding human psychology, culture, and the subtle art of connection. That's a deeper game than just post and hope. And it's going to be your secret weapon as you keep watching. Here's something you probably haven't heard before. YouTube's algorithm rewards watch time, not just views, and the brain craves dopamine hits. What does that mean for you? It means if you don't craft your videos to give emotional triggers, surprise, or satisfaction, your audience will click away faster than you can say, subscribe. Most beginners focus just on the metrics, views, likes, subscribers, but the real magic is creating content that hits a psychological sweet spot, something that feels personally rewarding to the viewer. I learned this the hard way, and when I finally cracked that code, my income started flowing. I'm going to show you how to unlock that emotional connection for your videos. Imagine this. The average RPM, revenue per mille, on YouTube varies wildly, but can often be low for generic content, sometimes under $1. But once you master crafting compelling, value-packed stories with emotional resonance, RPM can skyrocket to $10 or even $20 globally. That's not just a small upgrade. That's a transformation that can turn your channel into a sustainable business. Many creators never understand that focusing on rich, engaging content attracts higher-value advertisers, boosting your income way beyond views alone. I'll guide you through how you can start thinking like a high-value creator, even if you're just getting started and feeling overwhelmed. Let me take you behind the scenes of my first breakthrough. When I began on my other channel, I thought quantity was the key, churning out videos daily like clockwork. But what happens when the audience doesn't stay? More videos meant more spammy content and subscriber fatigue. The biggest mistake is trying to sprint when you actually need to build a marathon. The shift came when I stopped obsessing over output and instead focused on quality and crafting stories that stick in the mind. This change alone raised my engagement and watch time, and suddenly, the YouTube algorithm started to favor my videos. More watch time equals more income. Simple? Yes. Easy? Not at first. But this mindset shift is what will carry you through the early grind. What really transformed me was realizing that making money online isn't just about numbers. It's about telling a compelling story that your audience wants to be part of. Whether it's through sharing your struggles, successes, or the little-known psychology behind online success, these stories create a sense of loyalty and trust. And trust, as you'll discover, is the currency that converts casual viewers into paying customers and lifelong subscribers. This emotional connection makes your channel not just another video feed but a community, and communities pay. Remember this. The journey to your first online dollar is a rich mixture of persistence, emotional storytelling, smart strategy, and leveraging hidden income sources. Most people give up before they hit that breakthrough because they don't see the slow accumulation of these small wins. But if you stay focused, you'll find those first few dollars grow into a stream that fuels bigger dreams. And through this process, you'll not only earn money but build confidence and skills that last a lifetime. So, if you're serious about changing your financial story with YouTube, don't just watch. Act. The course link below is your next step to fast-track that growth and save your time by giving you the exact strategies that shifted my channel from zero to income. Remember, your first dollar online isn't just a milestone. It's the start of a transformation. And by applying these lessons, you could be telling your own story of success very soon.